Hey y'all, so I am back with another tutorial. If you guys want to see how I got this natural looking silk press 90s type hairstyle, continue to keep on watching. Today I am working with Asteria hair. This is my first time working with this company, and let me just say I am pleased. Okay, they sent me a wig cap, they sent me a head scarf, an elastic band, a bag to put my wig in, all that fun stuff. So this is how the hair looks. It's 180% density. It was an 18-inch and it was Bodywave. So this is a closure unit. It's not a frontal, and I think that's why I was so in love with this hair. So I went ahead and bleached my knots and everything, and I kind of tinted the lace just a tad bit. And this is what it's looking like on my head. And y'all, when I say the luster of this hair was immaculate, like, I kid you not, y'all, this hair was so beautiful. The luster of it was just so pretty. Like, as soon as I put the heat to it, the flat iron, it was like silky, sleek, straight, and I was in freaking love. So all I'm doing is just using my hot comb, making sure that my roots are very straight. I want this unit to look like scalp. I want it to mimic my natural hair. So I'm taking my time. And like I said, I have to really take my time because this hot comb really gets hot, like hot. Now I'm using my Got To Be gel. And before I use that gel, I'm going to use this white pencil to help me kind of outline where I want the gel to stop. That way I'll know where to lay my wig. And I don't know what made me use a white pencil instead of a brown one, but it was the closest thing that I saw. So use a brown pencil instead so you won't have that white residue on your forehead. And now all I'm doing is placing my Got To Be gel and making sure that I do not go further than the dot. So I'm just gonna smooth it out, and this stuff dries within like maybe 10-20 seconds, so that's a plus. And don't laugh at my comb. I told y'all. This is like my raggedy comb, but it gets the job done. And all I'm doing is shoving that gel into the lace so that it can melt a little bit more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut that extra lace off. Right here, I'm taking some spray just to kind of melt and secure my wig a little bit more. I want everything to just mesh together. And I didn't do it in the front because I didn't want that crunchy look. So I was like, you know what, let me part it and put the spray for the back. And I have my blow dryer on cool air. Alright, and now to actually style the hair, I'm making sure that I put that hairspray between my comb, and I'm going to make sure that the hair lays down flat as possible. And I was going for a middle part, so and it's a little crooked right now, but I'm going to fix it. And I'm taking the wand curler just to flatten the hair out even more. I don't like when my hair looks super puffy in the front, like in the top portion. I have to make sure that it's like laid flat, like flat. And look at that part, y'all. Like, I didn't add no makeup to it, no nothing. Like, it is so beautiful. So I'm just going to continue to press the hair out, making sure that it's nice, slick, and smooth, and all that fun stuff. And see, I'm using my hot comb again. It's like you must have a hot comb when you're working with wigs, because the hot comb is just going to give it that extra oomph, you know. So I was doing a middle part. I knew I wanted this 90s type look. Y'all know, like on the Parkers, how Kim hair used to be? That's what I was going for. So I was like, you know what? Let me put layers in my hair. And so that's how I came up with this hairstyle. Super simple, super easy. Just a regular, natural looking silk press. And look at that. Y'all see that? Do you see that bounce? That buoyancy? Okay. And I'm cutting at an angle, and then I'm just going in with my flat iron, and I'm giving it a slight bump. Like, look at that. Oh my god, it was so pretty. Look at the layers. Do y'all see that body? Do you see that bounce? That bounce? That bounce? Hey. It came out so pretty. But I did end up cutting the some of the hair at the bottom because I just didn't like that little inch right there. So I was like, you know what, let me make it coincide with each other. But look at that, y'all. Do you see that silky shine? I didn't even add nothing to this hair. It is so pretty and it looks so realistic. Like, oh, I am in love. Okay, that is pretty much it, you guys. This was like the most simplest, easiest thing you could ever do. Like, I feel like this is beginner friendly if somebody wanted to start wearing wigs. Like, this style is super simple, super easy. Look at it. Oh my god, yes, Ariel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Asteria, for sending me this beautiful bomb unit. Okay, bomb. I will catch you guys in my next tutorial, and all hair details will be listed down below. Bye, y'all.